Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to learn from this civics books chapter 1 Indian Constitution. Okay, Indian Constitution. Today I will be introducing you why our India need or felt to have a constitution. Okay, when it was started and how it was started. So today I will say you about the Indian Constitution. First of all, let us see the constitution. What is constitution? Dear my students, remember that one. Here I have written constitution is a body of fundamental principles. Means constitution is having the fundamental principles which our country is governed. Means fundamental principles means they are the rules, and according to the rules or policies our country is governed. That is only known as constitution. So dear my students, now let me tell you how this constitution is started in our country. Why our country felt that constitution should be needed. Okay, dear my students, you know that one. In our country, Congress was the main body and it was actively, what is that one? Participate in the political level. So you can see that in 1934, when this Congress put the demand for a constituent assembly for India for first time, means India for first time what happened, it was demanded that there is a need of constituent assembly. And you can see that Second World War was during that time. Okay, and it was started very strongly among the people of Indian. And finally what happened, you can see that British government agreed to it, and after that they brought together in December 1946. When that one? In December 1946. And afterward you can see that several lawmakers, okay, they came together to draft the Constitution of India. Okay, when that one? During the December or between the December 1946 to November 1949. Remember that one? When that one? December 1946 to November 1949. Between this time what happened? They have drafted the Constitution of India. And it was finally completed. Or when that one it was completed? On 26 November 1949. And you can see that, dear my students, even though in 26 November, okay, 1949 it was completed, but it was not enforced in our country. Means it was not implemented in our country. And you can see that on 26 January 1950 it was implemented, means it was enforced in our country. That's why nowadays we are celebrating the Republic Day. Okay, so likewise this constitution in India was started. Okay, dear my students, I have given you the introductory part of the Indian Constitution. Hope that it is very clear to you, and go through your textbook chapter 1 and you will be getting more clear about it. If you have any doubt, you can contact me and it will be clarify you. Thank you, students.